guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I am going to show you guys how to install LEDs on a Gsxr750. And I am here at Game Over. As you guys can see, this is where I picked them up. You could basically just get the lights any car store, I believe. So yeah, but I'll see you guys back at the house. Back, and so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna be changing the daytime lights, the high beams, and then these corner ones from that yellow to this blue white. So I picked up a couple of kits. One of them is this is gonna be for the daytime lights and the high beams, and this was picked up at SoCal Accessories in Upland, I believe, and they weren't too bad in price. They were $40, and they test them out right there. And then they do have warranty, I believe, a year. So yeah, I got that. And then I also picked up these little ones, which would be the side ones, and this one I picked it up at Game Over, as you guys saw, but these were $5, so they should work just fine. And these are the things that you guys are gonna need. It's gonna be like a little extension. So the only reason we picked this up was just because this kit right here, it's not fitting completely onto the little adapter thing, right? No, yeah, it's not fitting to it. It's smaller than what it actually is, so these should just plug in and work just fine. And we have the Allen keys just to take off the screws from the little meter. And then we do have the zip ties just to tie up any wiring. And we are also going to just get some tape and then wrap it around just so no cables could be touching and whatnot. So okay, so step one is that you're gonna want to remove this little bolt right here, so you guys can see, and it should be the only one on your bike. For all I don't know about the newer ones, because the rest of it is just clips. And you're gonna be using an Allen key. I already did the fitting on it, and it's the number 4 one right here, kind of like before the bigger ones. So yeah, so what you're just gonna want to do is put it out and then just twist it to the left, and it should come out just pretty easy. So once you have removed this bolt right here, there is 2 clips on the side of this. You could just pull it slowly and it should come out fine. Let's see. You could even lift up from down here just to help you out. You have removed this little part. There's a little clip in the back. You're just gonna have to push on it and then pull it out, and then that should take this whole entire part off completely. Okay, so there's that. Steps, there is this clip that's powering the light bulb, and then there is like this little paper clip thing you would have that's holding on the light bulb. So you're just gonna want to take this one off, and then you should be able to just that easy just pull it off, and then the light bulb should come out. Just be careful. Okay, so now that the first one is out, we are gonna grab the new light that we're gonna be putting, and we're gonna grab the adapter as well, and we are just gonna connect these two. Remember, black is negative and red is positive, so all you just want to do is put them in carefully. I've connected the adapter. What you're gonna want to do, how you're gonna want to put this light in, is you see this little part right here sticking out. It's gonna go in straight like that. You don't want to be doing it like that or whatever. So here we go. Just be careful. Okay, you just push the clip back on. Okay, so now that I have inserted the bulb itself, I am going to be connecting these 2 little things onto this plug right here. And the only problem is that this little clip right here does not tell you positive or negative, so you just try it out. If you get it the first time, cool. If you don't, then just switch around the cable. So here we go. Okay, and test it out, and there you go. Okay, so now that I have switched out the HID and the daytime light, I am just gonna do the corner ones that I showed you guys. These are the little light bulbs. Once again, $5 at the Game Over or any car shop. So they are gonna be located right here, right to the side of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so this little piece right here, all you gotta do is just pull it out. Okay, so once you pull it out, I have already removed the old light bulb, and you're just gonna want to insert these right here. And it's the same thing. If they don't turn on right away, then you just turn them around like that, and they should be able to work. Okay. Okay, and we're just gonna test it out now, and there's that. Okay, so that is it, how to install the LEDs and the side blinkers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to leave the link of the areas that I got the lights from or whatever. But yeah, for my next video, I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing. I did install those new lights on Blanca, as you guys saw, but it was just literally like a minute to do, so I got them from that same spot, the Game Over shop. So yeah, but you guys ride safe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.